All right, guys, so today's Sunday, which means it's Sunday Fun Day. Now, we're gonna go for a cruise today. It's beautiful out, it's nice and quiet. The guys are around, and we're just gonna go enjoy our cars, because, I mean, we got to at some point. So, what's up, Jip? You coming with us today?
Yeah, I'll be a spectator.
Okay, cool.
All right?
All right.
I'll hype you guys up.
Then we got Josh in the S14, and then of course we have the SR hatch, the cherry hatch. Now, I know a lot of you guys were mad at me for drifting it last time because I said it wasn't a drift car. I still don't consider it a drift car, but at the end of the day, it is an S13, so it's gotta be drifted. I feel like that's a rule. In all seriousness, I'm not taking it to the track. I'm not tannering with it. I'm not doing all this. This is just for some simple, fun weekend slides. Even the nicest of S chassis, people drift them here and there, okay? We'll be good to go. I'm not pushing my comfort zone at all in this car, and trust me, we'll be fine. So I don't know if we're gonna go drifting, if we're gonna cruise around. Either way, we're gonna go have some fun. I'm gonna record, and I hope you guys do enjoy the footage. So let's hit the road. So if you guys remember, this is a pretty stock SR20 with about 10 to 12 PSI, so it probably makes like 250 to 260 horsepower. Stock angle, stock everything, just coilovers and a welded diff. So that's what makes this car so fun to drive, because it's just so simple. Last time we took it out was the first time we like really raged on it, and I got a feel for the car, and I'm excited. I'm having a good time. Just like that, we made it to Mexico. It was a long drive, but car made it. So last time we took this thing out, we let the car eat, and it made me go through tire way too fast. So we're gonna try and keep it chill this time. It's a little hard with stock angle. Well, it looks like the car's doing pretty good. Damn, this thing can rage once you get it going. I definitely wish the E30. Oh my God! Josh just ran over a brick. How did he not mess his car up? This dude just ran over a cinder block and his car is fine.
Oh my God.
I didn't even see it.
Clearly. You're good. You didn't break anything somehow.
How do you... That's a big ass piece of wood.
I need she does good, but she's definitely not set up to drift. I need
You need the gearing.
No, I need my S30. I need my coupe finish, or I need my E30. Josh got comfy.
You got comfy for sure.
That's awesome. I need to finish my coupe. Extend. way too fun to just let her eat, dude. There's so much room for it. And honestly, this car is way happier when I'm going fast. Dude, I'm so proud of Brian. Like, he's improved so much, and it makes me so happy that, like, I have a friend to drift with that's at this level now. Like, I really feel like I can go back and forth with him, and it's awesome. Just you guys wait, we have so many parts laying around for Brian's car that we're doing a crazy refresh on it soon, and he's as good as he is on that setup. Just wait till we swap everything out. You're gonna be really impressed. The sun just looks too good right now.
Three amigos. Just need Chip's hatch here now.
Literally, that's it. Oh, can we just take a minute to figure out how Josh ran this over right here and didn't damage his bumper?
Broke a zip tie. Broke a zip tie.
You
Lost
lost
the zip tie, that's it.
Quality fiberglass there, Josh.
Quality rivets.
No, that was there.
That was there. We're not gonna talk about that.
All right. Man, we did like 2 laps, and I'm like almost already out of tire because my alignment's junk because I'm on non-adjustable arms.
Yeah, we're gonna do a couple more. I'm gonna follow you this time,
Okay.
and we're both hit record, and it's gonna be great.
All right, we're recording. Cool. GoPro master at this point. All right. Oh, it's beautiful out. Anticipate to drift that last little bit, but I would say that was the most ideal line. I probably could have linked this hole straight too. That was nice. Yeah. That was smooth. I'm really happy with that. This car, like the lack of grip that this car has, it kind of works out. Go hit it with some Ken Block shit real quick. How bumpy is this? It looks bumpy. Okay. That kind of works. Looks like my tires got a little too hot. Oh my god, my tires are cooked right now.
That was sick. That was sick. I think we're ready to end it there and get out of here before anybody shows up that we don't want here. Yeah.
He lost his hat.
anyone's hat go flying out of their car.
Because they're usually wearing a helmet.
That's hilarious. Only John.
Was that his hat? His hat?
Yeah.
That's what happened
Woo! Gotta get that angle, boy. This is what true love looks like, people.
It's so nice out.
Well, not bad, be-all.
Pretty successful little drift outing for today.
That was awesome.
Yeah, it was fun.
Quick little 30-minute sesh.
Sunday fun day, dude. It's turned into a thing.
I love it.
Ah.
So I was like, man, my car feels really fast today. So it's
Hold on.
What do I have in my nose?
It was that, but it's gone.
Cool. It was making 14 PSI, which that couple extra PSI, this thing's raging right now. Dude, 14 PSI, T20, SR20, dream combo, love it.
Yeah, dude, I'm jealous of the boost, but I was still having fun out there. I was letting her eat.
Dude, you got a whole package coming soon.
For that thing, that's really gonna be a huge difference, I think, for me and my chassis.
Oh yeah, we haven't even told them all about it yet. They gotta wait.
There's more. A special gift from you.
Oh, we got a lot of goodies for B-Hall's car. I was telling him earlier, so stay tuned for that. But that was a blast. S13 did awesome. You know what? I'm happy being able to rage on it right now how it sits, because I could work out all the kinks for when I paint it. I'm not gonna ruin the paint because of fitment and stuff like that. So this will be the test at its ultimate.
True shakedown. Shake all the parts off that are gonna fall off now. We won't have to worry about them later.
Exactly, all the rubbing everything, so.
But it's true. You should always worry about your fender and tire clearance before you deal with painting a car. That's something I didn't do on that, and that's why my car has flares.
It worked
Fun
out.
fact.
It worked out. But love it. All right, today was sick. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I can't wait to go home and edit this video and see all the footage. But hopefully this week, the coupler comes in for the turbo. We can have this thing all finalized and get on the road. The Sonda, we're trying as we're trying as best I can to work as fast as we can on this car. I think we're hauling ass. The problem is there's just so much to do.
We're in, you know what? Like the chassis fab, I would say is like 90% right now.
Mm-hmm.
There's like one more thing I want to do. And then other than that, it's just weld.
Prep.
Paint.
So I'm gonna do it to you guys. We're gonna have a couple videos where we're doing nothing but prepping. I mean, it's gotta happen, but we'll try and make it interesting. But for that, we're gonna end it here. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and
have a great night. Peace.